Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Most of the viewers of mine have requested to design my own channel logo. They always ask me to show how is the process of my logo. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how do I design my channel logo. And I also show you how I make the logo perfect. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take a line segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt. Now for more copy, hold the Ctrl button and pressing D. Take 8 lines. Now select all lines, and make it group. Take Polygon tool, and draw a polygon. Now rotate it. Select the lines, and click mouse right button, and go to transform, make the lines equal polygon upper. Again go to transform, and click reflect. Now delete the polygon. Select all lines, and zoom it. Now take Shape Builder tool, and draw GH letters. First I draw H letter, and then G. We do some modifications after draw this, because sometimes you need to customization your logo for looking good. Okay, that's fine. Now select G and H letters and move it from lines. Delete the lines. Now we copy increase the stroke of this logo. Select the logo, go to Object, and select Expand. Go Pathfinder, and make it united. Okay, that's good. Now we make H letter. Keep watching what I'm doing. Okay, that is the way how I design my logo. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button, and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.